Babe, ukhona?
Xolo. Bengicinga ngomama. Izolo kwi-golf, mna notata besihleka, talking nonsense. Then, ndambuza what he thinks our lives would look like if Mama hadn't died in that hotel room that night. Something in him shifted. Ebengafuna utata ngaye. And one thing about utata, he never misses an opportunity to talk about my mother. But when it comes to that night, he just closes up. And it still haunts him. And there's bubuhlungu utata ngaye. But so much I haven't asked. Questions that need answers. And I guess izolo I just realized that mhlawumbe utata is going through the same thing. So, ndifuna umhlalisa phansi. Get him to open up about that night. I mean, sinemibuzo. Sidinga impendulo.
No. I mean, don't do this.
Ngoba? Sithando sami, when your father died, you weren't around. Surely if you had an opportunity to know what his final moments were like, you'd want to know.
I just think that some things are better left kule ndawo sikuyo, babe. And silethe emsebenzini masana.
Ukhanibalisela my friendship. Khona ngantoni phakathi kwakho noSomile? Phakathi kwethu. Nakho nto enzekayo? Awu. Hayi yang. Kanjani when the vibes are that loud and clear? Futhi wena naye izolo nihambile naye ekamereni isikhathi eside. Wait. Since when do you move like that, Yang?
Yibo, akho nto enzekileyo wethu. Futhi uSomile wena monisa qha i-study setup yami.
You study setup. Okay. Yanga ubasabe abafana. Fana bayingozi.
Hayi kalonke akunothetha wena Tsaki. Ubunilecturisha ngayo yonke lento. Bengicinga uba nguwe mna umuntu wentwesi.
Hayi icacile ukuthi kahle kahle wena ungazi ngoba ukwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi komuntu o-confident nomuntu oyisibhanqa sabafana. Yes. Ukhumbule futhi ukuthi mina ngisahlola.
Nyani?
Yes, njalo mina ngoSeptember uma ngisemhlandeni.
Yima so ngiyohlolwa for ubuvirgin.
Yeah. Kodwa sithi ukukhohlwa kancane mayelana nalokho manje sikhuluma mayelana nawe noSomile ukuthi kuqhubeka ntoni. Lalela Yanga. Wena uyi-head girl futhi uhlakaniphile and this is your year. Your marks and your future. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ungafuna nje ukuthi kufike umfana waseCosmo azothatha nje yonke lento leyo isebenzela kanzima kangaka kanjalo nje. Ukhumbule ke nono ukuthi i-teenage pregnancy ayigcine TV kuphela yezo na in real life ikhona amaphupho ayashabalala very fast quick in a hurry. Instead of ukuthi uprepare ukuthi ube uMiss Universe uzoyithola usumaka boy waseCosmo City stuck with you for the rest of your life.
Hayi kaloku nawe uyayibaxa. Hayibo.
Hayanga. Saba bafana.
Molo mami.
Usana lwami. Yazi kudala ndicinga. Hayi ngathi manje ndikufonele. Ndithe ndakuphupha man. Ndikuphuphe ukhathazekile yazi. Ngathi khona into ekusindayo. Unjani kodwa? Uphethe njani umtshado? Wena uphile kwekumkanikazi. Into nje ekucinezelayo ngumsebenzi qha ndithi.
Siyaphila mama. Sonwabile khona. Mami khona benifuna ukubuza yona yazi. As umfazi and imatriarch, what did it take for uba ufumane ifooting emseni wakho ma?
Umakhulu wakho nje umntana. Wayengafuni nondibona. besithi andimfanelanga uJangisa. Kwampazamo nje encinci ke ndayenza yayiba yinto enkulu, kodwa ndanyamezela ngoba kaloku xa ukhetha usapho uyanyamezela. UNomfundisi uyakuthanda kodwa wena uyigcine njalo ke mntanam loo nto. Ungaze uqala